The National Taxi Alliance Executive Committee has briefed the media on the taxi industry status regarding the coronavirus, taxi violence and Competition Commission outcomes. However, the NTA President Francis Masitsa has told the media that they lack support from government on their campaign to protect commuters from the coronavirus.
The taxi industry can only do so much. We do not have resources ourselves available. We are, in actual fact, as the taxi industry, subsidizing our own passengers. The 70% of the commuters that we transport are subsidized by us. Your billions of rands of subsidies given to your bus companies, your trains, and so on and so forth, they take 100% of the total subsidy. We don't even get a cent. So it must be understood that our passengers are subsidized by us. In other words, we have become a government to them. We are providing them with a service that government fails to provide. Hence, we spoke about the schemes and apartheid approach to public passenger transport. So we are being discriminated against by government by denying us and depriving us of the resources necessary. So there is only so much that we can do. Of course, with regards to what the minister says, I don't have any information on my desk to that effect. This speaks to the attitude of government to this. If the minister does not interact with us, then who on earth is the minister interacting with? And how on earth can we call the approach by the minister holistic? Can we really say that he is interested in securing the safety of our people against coronavirus when he decides to speak to friends instead of talking to the industry? So these are issues that are at stake and that are going to cost lives and limb in this country. If we are to solve and address this problem, we need to have a coordinated approach from the center. And if the center fails to hold, then heaven help us. So that is the situation we find ourselves in. However, we are not going to keep quiet. We are going to say that we are going to do this within our power. And if government fails, then government would have failed South Africa, not necessarily us.
The South African National Taxi Council